We're going to look at strategies for doing more advanced searching in the databases. So to start with, I'm going to go from a basic search to an advanced search. And that gives me more options for where I want to put in keywords and how to put them together. So I'm going to start with microbiome. This is a term I want to learn more about. And I can get more specific by saying microbiome and farming. And I can get even more specific by saying microbiome and organic farming. So I'm going to put this in quotes so it will search for that exact phrase. And I'm also going to throw in some alternate ways of describing the same thing. So I'm going to put in organic agriculture as well. In quotes also using the or to search for either of these. And then finally I'm going to put in soil. So this is a pretty specific search. Let's see if we get any results. So we get about 200 full text results, which is pretty good. It also means we could probably limit our research to more recent years. So I'm going to go up to 2017, research from the last 5 years. And we still have over 150. We can scroll through and take a look at our results. And once we find something we're interested in, we can use the information on this page to find additional sources. So first of all, over here we can see this article has been cited by other researchers, so we could take a look at who is citing this work and the research that they're doing. We can also look at the suggested sources that the science database has pulled up and thinks is related to this work. And we can look at the subjects, additional keywords that they are suggesting related to this topic, and we might want to use some of those to do additional searches. Finally, you can look at the references that these authors are citing. So if we go down to the end of the article, we can see some of the other sources that they're citing and maybe use some of those for our research. Or we could look at other research being done by these authors. So for example, if we click on this author, it's going to pull up what other articles he has in the database. So I'll go ahead and search this author. And it's going to pull up other research that he has done. If you have any questions about advanced searching or tracking down full text articles, contact us at Ask a Librarian.